There's one last present for Adie from Mommy and Daddy. Can you open it?
It's in honor of your eating habits.
And the snorting you used to do when you were little.
Yeah, and the snorting, yeah. Yeah, I like it. It's fitting.
And it's just the right size for you. Hey, Adie. What's in there? Can you take it out? Can you get it?
Take it out. Grab it. Grab it.
You take it?
Yay!
That's your piglet.
The little piglet.
It's a little piglet for our little piglet.
All right, your friend's already.
And it's just your size, huh?
It's like with dogs, they sniff each other's butt. With babies and stuffed toys, you put it in your mouth. That's friendship right there. Oh, go boom.
You like it? Love piglet, huh?